So in continues the next video, today we are discuss the information processing systems. Computer. A computer is an electric machine which operates on given instructions and processes the input data to convert into some output. Let us consider a simple real life example to make rice pulao in the kitchen to understand meaning of data, information and processing. In kitchen, raw rice, water, salt, pepper, and other ingredients are like in computer data or input. An act of steaming the above ingredients in a pressure cooker by putting them on fire is like in computer processing and cook the rice pulao. End of the day, it's informations or outputs. So data, it is a collection of facts and figures which has no meaning when collected. In processing, it is a sequence of actions taken on data to convert into informations which is a meaningful to the users. It can be calculations, comparisons or decisions taken by the computers. So it is the process like input data, processing and output of informations. So let's discuss the operating system. An operating system is the most essential software that manages the operation of a computer. Without an operating system, it is not possible to use of the computer. We know that the computer is a hardware and is useless until it is provided an essential software which makes it ready to use. An operating system is that software which makes the computer ready to use by a process called booting. Before discussing the types of operating system, let us first see what exactly is meant by booting. Booting. When we switch on the computer, the instructions stored in ROM are automatically executed. These instructions helps the computer to load the operating system for external storage device, disk to internal RAM. This process of loading the operating system from disk to RAM is called the booting. The term booting comes from the word bootstrap, as bootstrap help us to get our boots on. Similarly, booting helps the computer to get ready. Let's discuss the types of operating system, everyone. Many different types of operating system have evolved till date. Based on their capabilities and the types of applications supported, the operating systems can be divided into the following 6 major categories. Batch processing operating systems. The batch processing operating systems are capable of executing one job at one time. The jobs or the programs submitted by different users are grouped into batches, and one batches of job is provided as an input to the computer system at a time. Multi-user operating system. The multi-user operating system enable multiple users to use the resources of a computer system at the same time. Examples of multi-user operating system includes Unix, Linux, Windows 2000 and VM386. Multitasking, multiprocessing, multiprogramming and concurrent operating systems. The multitasking operating systems allow users to carry out multiple tasks at the same time on single computer systems. Examples of multitasking operating system includes Unix, Linux, Windows 2000 and Windows XP. And fourth one is a real-time operating system. In real-time operating system, each job carries a specific time frame within which the job is supposed to be completed. Otherwise, there will be a huge losses, or even if the result is produced, it will be completely useless. The different examples of real-time applications are industrial control applications, military software systems, space software, scientific research equipment, etc. Examples of real-time operating systems are MTOS, Linux, RTX. Fifth one is a multiprocessor operating system. The multiprocessor operating system allow the users of multiple CPUs in a computer system for executing the multiple processes at the same time. Examples of multiprocessor operating systems: Linux, Unix, Windows 2000. And last but not the least one is the embedded operating systems. The embedded operating system is installed on embedded computer systems, simple, which is primarily used for the performing computational tasks in electronic devices. These operating systems provide limited functionality that is required for the corresponding embedded computer systems. Examples of embedded operating systems: Palm OS and Windows CE. Thank you everyone. Keep enjoy learning. Be be the best for your study.